व्हॉट इज फिजिक्स, डेफिनेशन ऑफ फिजिक्स. कोण सांगताय? फिजिक्सचे डेफिनेशन काय आहे? ब्रँच ऑफ सायन्स विच डील्स विथ study of natural aspects or study of natural phenomenon in terms of elementary principles and laws is called as physics. Okay, then in this syllabus total 8 units are there. Unit number 1 is the semiconductor physics. What is semiconductor? Anyone will tell what is semiconductor? कौन सांगते? Semiconductor, what is definition of semiconductor? Roll number 1, Vosley.
Yes, sir.
What is semiconductor?
A solid substance that has conductivity between that of an insulator of metal.
Okay, the conductivity of semiconducting materials lies between insulators and good conductors. These materials are called as semiconducting material. What is conductivity? What is the definition of conductivity? For example, assume that this is the conductor.
Wire.
Okay, conductor is there. L be the length of this conductor. Small a be the cross sectional area of this conductor. Then we know that what is resistance of this conductor? R. R is resistance of this conductor. R is directly proportional to the length of this conductor, and it is inversely proportional to its cross sectional area. Okay, therefore R is equal to rho L by A. What is rho? Rho is called as constant of
Resistivity.
rho is called as constant of proportion. It is called as resistivity. Okay, therefore rho is equal to काय येणार आहे? Rho is equal to मग RA by L. What is unit of rho? कोण सांगताय? What is unit of resistance? Ohm. What is unit of area?
Rho meter.
Unit
Meter.
meter square.
Meter.
Length क्या आहे? मीटर. मीटर get cancel.
Meter.
This unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Ohm meter. And what is conductivity? Sigma. Sigma is equal to written here. What is sigma? Conductivity sigma is reciprocal of
Conductivity.
reciprocal of resistivity is called as conductivity. Conductivity means reciprocal of resistivity is called as conductivity. Means what is the definition of conductivity? Means conductivity of these semiconducting materials. Conductivity of semiconductor lies between insulators and metals. Conductors or metals. Okay. This conductivity of these semiconductors lies between insulators and metals. What is conductivity? Conductivity means it is called as reciprocal of conductivity means it is called as reciprocal of
Resistivity.
resistivity is called as conductivity. Therefore, rho is equal to L by A. Sorry, conductivity sigma is equal to 1 upon rho, and rho is equal to RA upon L. What is unit of conductivity? Unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Then what is unit of conductivity?
Per ohm per meter.
Okay, ohm meter raised to minus 1. Okay, ohm meter raised to minus 1, or it is called as mho per meter. Okay, this is the unit of conductivity. Okay, then there are 3 types of energy bands you studied in 12th. What is these? What are these 3 types? कुठले कुठले टाइप्स आहेत तो? 12वी झालंय आपल्याला. There are 3 types of energy bands. कोण सांगताय? There are 3 types of energy bands. Will tell. Anyone? कोण सांगताय? व्हॅलन्स बँड, conduction band and
Forbidden
forbidden
band.
band. What is definition of valence band? What is definition of valence band? Anyone? What is definition of valence band? The band formed by series of energy levels containing valence electrons is called as valence band, or the band which is occupied by the valence electrons is called as valence band, or here written the energy band contains the valence electrons is called as valence band. It contains valence electron. The band which is occupied by valence electrons is called as valence band. Okay, this is the definition of valence band. The energy band contains valence electrons is called as valence band. This band is partially filled or completely filled. And what is valence electrons? Nucleus is there. Assume that this is the nucleus. Okay, electrons, they are revolving in different orbits around this nucleus. The electrons present in the outermost orbit, these electrons are called as these electrons are called as which electrons? Hello? The electrons present in the outermost cell.
Valence electrons.
Okay, these electrons are called as valence electrons. Okay, and this band formed by energy levels containing the valence electron, these energy levels is called as valence. For example, lithium. What is the atomic number of lithium? किती आहे lithiumचा atomic number? किती
3.
आहे? 3. Means this is first level is there 1s2, second level is 2s1. Okay, म्हणजे हे outermost cell आहे. And this cell is called as 2s level is called as valence cell. And electrons present in this cell, these electrons are called as valence electrons. Which the band, energy band containing valence electrons is called as valence band. For sodium, sodiumच्या बाबतीत सांगा. What is the atomic number of sodium?
11.
11. What is the electronic configuration of sodium?
281.
1s2,
2s2,
2s2,
2p6,
2p6 and
3s1.
3s1. This is the which cell? Valence cell. This is called as valence cells. Electrons present in the outermost cell, these electrons are called as valence electrons. This cell is called as valence cell. And the energy band formed by which cells? Valence cell. Okay, the energy band containing valence electrons, or this band is called as valence band. Okay, this band is formed by with which energy levels? Valence cell energy levels. Okay, this is called as valence band. Okay, then what is conduction band? Conduction band. कौन सांगता है conduction band?
This band contain conduction electrons.
What is conduction electrons means? These valence electron, they are loosely bound. Okay, this is outermost cell, and after this cell is there, this is conduction cell is there. Okay, some energy is supplied, then electron jump from valence cell to the conduction cell. Okay, valence cell to the conduction cell, and these electrons are free electrons. These electrons are free, means electrons present in the conduction cell, they are free. Okay, so after valence cell, which cell is we are getting? Conduction cell is there. Okay, is the band formed by energy levels, or next higher permitted band after which band? Next higher permitted band after which band? Next higher permitted band after which band? Response. I'm not getting response. The next higher permitted band after which band?
Valence band.
सांगा ना पटकन. The next higher permitted band after valence band is called as conduction band, and electrons present in this band, they are free. They are free. Okay, is free. Means conductivity is due to these free electrons. Conductivity is due to the electrons present in the conduction band. Means conductivity of semiconducting materials is due to the number of electrons present in the conduction band. Okay, this once again, what is definition of valence band? Who will tell? कौन सांगता है? Definition of valence band. बघून सांगायचे हो. Definition of valence band. Roll number 10. What is valence band? Roll number 2, Saili Bhosle.
Yes, sir.
What is valence band?
Outermost covering असलेले.
स्क्रीन दिसत नाही का तुम्हाला? दिसते ना? The energy band containing
Valence electron.
The
The
energy
energy
band.
band valence
मग
electron.
परफेक्ट डेफिनेशन सांगता यायला पाहिजे की नाही सांगा बरं. The energy band contains valence electrons is called as valence band. And what is conduction band? This band contains which electrons?
Containing conduction
Conduction
electron.
electrons. Or next higher permitted band after which band? Valence band is called as conduction band. What is forbidden band? What is forbidden
The
band?
difference between the energy difference between conduction band and valence band is the forbidden energy.
Or separation between valence band and conduction band is called as forbidden energy band. Once again, I want three definition. First, what is definition of physics? Then only we'll start for next one. First, physics. What is physics? Then second definition of valence band. Then conduction band, and then forbidden band. Who will tell? What is first physics? Rule number 1.
Yes, sir.
What is physics?
The branch of physics, the branch of science which deals with study of nature.
Okay, branch of science which deals with study of natural aspects. Study of natural aspects.
Or phenomena.
Study of natural aspects. Please follow me. Study of natural aspects in terms of elementary principles and laws. Study of natural aspects in terms of elementary principles and laws is called as physics. Okay, once again, branch of science which deals with study of natural aspects in terms of elementary principles and laws is called as physics. Now repeat it. Number 1, repeat it.
Study of science which deals with study of natural aspects.
In terms of elementary principles and laws.
Elementary principles and laws
is called as physics.
Is called physics.
Okay. Then a valence band. I will tell another roll number 4. Vaibhavi.
Yes, sir.
Definition
This energy band contains valency band. This energy band contains valency electron. This band may be partially or completely filled with electrons, but never be empty.
Okay. Roll number 7. What is the definition of conduction band? 7. Go Ray.
This band contains conduction electron.
This band contains conduction electrons, or it is next higher permitted band after which band valence band is called as conduction band. Okay. Then roll number 8. Vaishnavi. What is forbidden band? Forbidden band. Roll number 9. Jankar. Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
What is definition of forbidden band?
The separation between valence band and conduction band is called forbidden band.
Okay, separation between valence band and conduction band is called as forbidden band. Okay, then here first article is called classification of solids. Okay, in unit number 1, write it. Unit number 1 title, write it. Semiconductor physics. लिहिले का सिलेबस लिहायला चालू करायचं आपल्याला. सेमीकंडक्टर फिजिक्स युनिट नंबर 1 सेमीकंडक्टर फिजिक्स section 1 madla unit number 1. Okay, this first article is classification of solids. Okay, first article is classification of solids. Solids, they are classified into how many classes on the basis of conductivity? कौन सांगता है? Solids, they are classified into रिस्पॉन्स
3
पाहिजे.
types.
हां, कुठले कुठले?
Insulator, conductor, and semiconductor.
Okay, solid, they are classified into 3 classes. On the basis of conductivity, they are classified into 3 classes: semiconductors, conductors, and insulators, or conductors, semiconductors, and insulators. नववीच्या पुस्तकात पण आहे, काल मी वाचलं होतं. फक्त त्यांनी सेमीकंडक्टरला मेलॉइड काय तर म्हटलेलं आहे. ओके, म्हणजे मेटल्स, मेलॉइड्स अँड नॉन
Non-metals, metalloids.
हां, मेलॉइड्स म्हणजे म्हटलंय. मग तिथं 9वी पर्यंत झाले आपल्याला, मग इथं सांगता यायला पाहिजे थोडंसं फास्ट. ठीक आहे. व्हॉट इज डिफरन्स बिटवीन दीज थ्री? एनी वन डिफरन्स between these metals, non-metals, and metalloids, or metals, non-metals, and semiconductors? Any one difference? कौन सांगता है?
Current which can flow, conductor which can flow current. Insulator do not flow current, and semiconductor poor conductor, poor म्हणजे करंट थोडा फ्लो करतो.
बट ठीक आहे. हां, मीन्स कंडक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर इज लाईज बिटवीन इन्सुलेटर्स अँड गुड कंडक्टर्स. म्हणजे जी सेमीकंडक्टरची जी कंडक्टिव्हिटी आहे ते दोन्हीच्या मध्ये आहे. कोणाकोणाच्या मध्ये आहे? मेटल्स आणि मेटल्स आणि नॉन मेटल्सच्या. ओके, नॉन मेटल्स. ठीक आहे. इट इज बिटवीन मेटल्स अँड नॉन मेटल्स. देन व्हॉट आर द एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर्स?
Germanium.
सिलिकॉन आणि
Germanium.
These are the examples of semiconducting materials. Okay, is solid, they are classified. First article is classification of solid, like title, classification of solid. 1.1 first is classification of solids. Okay, then what is classification of semiconductors? कोण सांगताय? त्याच्या आधी लिहून घेऊया सिलेबस पहिल्या चॅप्टरचा. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सॉलिड्स. देन राईट सेकंड आर्टिकल, फर्मी लेवल. Second is write it Fermi level. Then write it Fermi direct probability distribution function. Fermi direct probability distribution function. Okay, classification of solids पहिले झालं. Second is Fermi level. Third, Fermi direct probability distribution function. Then Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Fermi level in. Okay, once again classification of solids. लिहिलं का? मला yes no सांगत चला. 1.1 लिहिलं सगळं? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Classification of solids, Fermi level, Fermi direct probability distribution function, and Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Okay, then what is intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors? कौन सांगता है? Intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Anyone?
Intrinsic semiconductors which contains impurities.
Intrinsic मध्ये impurity असतात. Okay, semiconductor there are two types. Semiconductor चे एकूण 2 टाइप आहेत. कुठले कुठले आहेत ते लिहिलेत बघा मी. What are the 2 types of semiconductors? There are 2 types. First one is
intrinsic and extrinsic.
Okay, intrinsic आणि intrinsic type of
Extrinsic.
semiconductors आणि extrinsic type of semiconductor. हे त्याचे 2 टाइप आहेत. What is intrinsic and what is extrinsic? रोल नंबर 13, शंभूराजे देशमुख. 13, शंभूराजे.
Yes, sir.
What is difference between intrinsic and extrinsic? What is intrinsic semiconductors first? Intrinsic semiconductor म्हणजे काय?
Intrinsic semiconductor I type semiconductors.
कसले?
I type
आय
semiconductor.
टाईप म्हणजे काय पहिल्यांदा ऐकलंय मी, मला पण सांगा थोडस. हा, आय डोंट नो व्हॉट इज दॅट आय टाईप.
Pure semiconductor.
Okay, intrinsic semiconductors are pure semiconductors. Okay, pure semiconductors are called as intrinsic type of semiconductors. And examples कुठले कुठले त्याचे? हा हा, pure semiconductors examples. Examples of these pure semiconductors. हा,
Gallium,
silicon आणि
gallium,
Germanium.
सिलिकॉन आणि जर्मेनियम. These are the example. कोण आहे हो, एक मिनिट. सिलिकॉन आणि silicon and germanium. These are the examples of intrinsic type of semiconductors. Okay, then what is extrinsic? Extrinsic, कौन सांगता है extrinsic काय आहे?
Impure semiconductor.
Impure semiconductors or doped semiconductors are called as, this is doped semiconductors. Okay, doped semiconductors or impure semiconductors are called as extrinsic type of semiconductor. Why doping is required? Why doping is necessary? कशासाठी डोपिंग करतो आपण? कोण सांगताय? हां, to increase the
Conductivity.
to increase the conductivity of this intrinsic type of semiconductor, means conductivity of pure silicon and pure germanium is modified by adding impurity. These impure semiconductors or doped semiconductors are called as extrinsic type of semiconductor. These doped semiconductors are called as extrinsic type of semiconductor. Why doping is required? Because conductivity is modified. What is modified? Conductivity of pure semiconductors. कोणाची कंडक्टिविटी मॉडिफाय करतोय आपण? कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ pure semiconductors is modified by adding impurity. These impure semiconductors or doped semiconductors are called as extrinsic type of semiconductor. Once again, what is the difference between these two? Intrinsic means what is intrinsic?
Pure semiconductor.
Pure semiconductors are called as intrinsic. And examples त्याचे कुठले कुठले आहेत?
Silicon and germanium.
Silicon, germanium.
And what is extrinsic?
Impure.
Impure semiconductors or doped semiconductors are called as extrinsic type of semiconductors. This extrinsic, there are again two types. कुठले कुठले आहेत?
N-type and P-type.
Okay, N-type semiconductors and P-type semiconductor. What is N-type?
Negative.
Pentavalent impurity is added to silicon crystal.
Okay, silicon or germanium. The silicon or germanium is doped with which group elements? Fifth group elements. The pentavalent. Silicon or germanium is doped with pentavalent. What are the examples of this pentavalent? त्याचे examples सांगताय कोणीतरी? पेंटावॅलंटचे एखादे एक्झाम्पल. फॉस्फरस बरोबर आहे. फॉस्फरस, आर्सेनिक, अँटीमनी म्हणजे एसबी. These are the examples of this pentavalent. And silicon and germanium ते कुठल्या ग्रुपचे आहेत? They are from which group? Pentavalent means this fifth group elements. Phosphorus हे सगळे fifth ग्रुपचे आहेत. अँटीमनी पण fifth ग्रुपचे आहे. Okay, silicon and germanium, they are from which group elements? Fourth group elements. Okay, they are from fourth group. Okay, due to addition of this fifth group element, new electrons, excess electrons are created. Means here majority charge carriers are the कुठले आहेत majority? कुठले आहेत majority? सांगा बरं. निगेटिव्ह म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत. कशामध्ये? एन टाइप मध्ये. मेजॉरिटी चार्ज कॅरियर्स आर द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Doping elements are fifth group elements. Examples आहेत phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, etc. These are the examples of these fifth group elements. Okay, this is fifth group and majority charge carriers are the electrons. जसे हे 3 पॉइंट मी सांगितले n टाइपला, तसेच इथं p टाइपला सांगायचे. Here silicon or germanium पहिला पॉइंट आहे. सिलिकॉन और जर्मेनियम दे आर डोप्ड विथ. कशाने डोपिंग करतोय आपण?
थर्ड ग्रुप एरियम.
ओके, सिलिकॉन और जर्मेनियम डोप्ड विथ थर्ड ग्रुप. Okay, third group element. Examples of this third group:
Aluminium,
boron, aluminium, indium, etc. These are the, okay, boron, aluminium, indium. These are the examples of these third group elements. Correct. Okay. Then due to addition of this third group, excess क्या create होता है? Holes or electrons?
Holes.
Okay, excess holes are created. Okay, means this is the difference between n type and p type. काय सांगणार difference मध्ये? पहिला point काय सांगणार? What is difference between n type and p type? What is first point?
fifth group.
Okay,
N
here
type.
impurity elements are fifth group elements. Here impurity elements are p type. Which group elements? Third group elements. Third group, बरोबर आहे की? Then examples of this fifth group इकडे काय सांगणार?
Antimony.
Okay, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Phosphorus, antimony, etc. These are the examples of fifth group. आणि इकडे काय सांगणार? थर्ड ग्रुप मध्ये boron, indium, aluminium. These are the examples of the third group. आणि इथे excess इकडे काय majority charge carriers काय आहेत इकडे? n type मध्ये electrons, p type मध्ये holes are there. Okay, this is the difference. Means semiconductors, once again semiconductor there are two types. कुठले
Intrinsic and
इंट्रिन्सिक आणि एक्सट्रिन्सिक. इंट्रिन्सिक म्हणजे कुठले आहेत? प्युअर सेमीकंडक्टर्स. अँड दिस कंडक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ दिस प्युअर सेमीकंडक्टर इज मॉडिफाईड. म्हणजे इन्क्रीज करतोय, वाढवतोय आपण. कसे वाढवतोय? बाय ऍडिंग
doping.
बाय ऍडिंग इम्प्युरिटी. त्यालाच म्हणतो आपण डोपिंग. ओके, ड्यू टू डोपिंग मीन्स बाय ऍडिंग इम्प्युरिटी दिस कंडक्टिव्हिटी इज मॉडिफाईड. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज डोपिंग. and there are these doped semiconductors are called as doped semiconductors are called as
Extrinsic semiconductor.
again extrinsic. There are again two types. कुठले आहेत?
N type.
N type, P.
n type semiconductors आणि p type semiconductors. Okay, here दाखवलेत बघा आपण. हे जर्मेनियम आहे, प्युअर जर्मेनियम. Okay, these all 4 valence electrons form 4 covalent bonds. If temperature increases, then there is breaking of covalent bond takes place. One hole and one electron is formed. A hole तयार झाला. This is electron. There one electron and one hole is created. This is intrinsic. Example silicon and germanium. This is band gap energy of silicon is 1.1. Band gap energy of germanium is, what is forbidden gap energy of germanium is किती आहे जर्मेनियमची? सिलिकॉनची 1.1, जर्मेनियम 0.74, सिलिकॉन 1.1. दिस इज प्युअर सेमीकंडक्टर. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? इंट्रिन्सिक. इथं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तयार झाले, होल्स पण तयार झाले. ओके, आणि मीन्स नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ होल्स. कशामध्ये? कुठल्या टाईपमध्ये? और concentration of electrons is equal to concentration of holes. Concentration of electrons is equal to concentration of holes. ते फक्त आपण 12वीला जे काय झाले ते रिवाइज करतोय. सगळ्या चॅप्टर मध्ये, प्रत्येक चॅप्टर मध्ये काय काय झालं ते रिवाइज करून मग आपण युनिट नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. अजून युनिट नंबर 1 आपण स्टार्ट केलेलं नाहीये. दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स रिक्वायर्ड. हे गरजेचं आहे. हे माहीत असल्याशिवाय आपण नवीन चॅप्टर शिकू शकत नाही. ठीक आहे. देन नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज इंट्रिन्सिक. नंतर एक्सट्रिन्सिक मध्ये आपण 2 टाईप बघितले. कुठले कुठले बघितले? एन टाईप आणि एन टाईप आणि पी टाईप. ओके, एन टाईप सेमीकंडक्टर आणि पी टाईप सेमीकंडक्टर. देन फर्स्ट दिस इज unit number 1. Then again वन मोर डिफरन्स बिटवीन एन टाइप अँड पी टाइप कोण सांगताय? एक्झाम्पल्स म्हणल्यापेक्षा एनी अदर डिफरन्स बिटवीन एन टाइप अँड पी टाइप. What is acceptor level? What is donor level? Where is the position of acceptor level? Where is the position of donor level? झालंय म्हणून आपण विचारताय. Okay, ठीक है. In detail we'll see. First complete the syllabus of this unit number 1. Fermi level in intrinsic लिहिले का? हाँ. Fermi level in extrinsic semiconductors. Effect of impurity concentration. Right, syllabus first. Effect of impurity concentration on effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. Effect of impurity concentration on Fermi level. Derivation for EFIN. EF means Fermi level, IN means intrinsic type of semiconductor. Derivation for EF means Fermi level, EF. EF means Fermi level आणि हे IN म्हणजे काय आहे? Intrinsic. Derivation for EFIN is Fermi level for intrinsic type of semiconductors. And last bit, Hall effect and its applications. Hall effect and its applications. And numericals on this chapter or numericals on this unit. Okay, numericals on this chapter. Hall effect and its applications. And numericals on this unit or on this chapter. Okay, next lecture काय काय वाचून यायचं सांगतो तुम्हाला. क्रिस्टोग्राफी आहे. That chapter was there in 12th chemistry. What is lattice? What is Bravais lattices? What is 7 system? What is coordination number? What is number of atoms per unit cell? Atomic radius, atomic packing factor. Okay, all these terms you should come with preparation. Okay, I will ask the questions. Okay, we'll stop it here now. Everyone, please write your roll number in chat box. Write your roll number in chat box. I will take attendance from the chat box. All of you, please write your roll number in chat box.